Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Tango extension onto your Google Chrome web browser. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Chrome web browser, and once you open it up, you can click on the web store option from the home page and you will be taken into the Chrome web store. Now if you click on the search option and then search for Tango, you will find various other different kinds of application. However, these are not any of the Tango apps or toolbars that you can add as extension. So in order to install Tango, simply type in tango.me in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tango homepage. Now proceed with logging into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and using your credentials. Now while you cannot install it as a Chrome extension, you can just click on the get the app option at the bottom right corner, and now you will see various different options. If you scroll down, you will see the install Tango for desktop option as well. Click on this button and then click on the install button from the pop-up menu, and this will open up the Tango application in its own separate browser window. You can click on the three dots at the top right corner, and now this has installed an application shortcut for Tango on your desktop. You can simply double click on this shortcut and this will open up your Tango account right away. And there you have it. That is how you can go around using Google Chrome extension for Tango. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.